Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you're always on the move or just need a solid connection, the compact and sturdy virtual SIM router is the way to go. It's got you covered with global connectivity and compatibility with most cellular carriers worldwide. With support for RS-485 and MQTT protocol, you can connect your IoT sensors, PLC machines, solar charge controller, and more. eSIM technology provides great flexibility, eliminating the need for a physical SIM card. So let's walk you through setting up your IOT-R51W router. First, attach the antennas to the SMA connector on the back of the router. Label main and aux. Twist them clockwise to secure. Connect the wires to the terminal base. Make sure to connect the red wire to the positive port and the black wire to the negative port. When power on, the router's indicator light will turn on. Next, scan the QR code on the router's label. Or just visit remotemonitor.com. Create an account by entering your username, email, and password. No verification is needed. You can log in right away. In this homepage, you can see your device's overall status and data usage. To bind your router, click on eSIM Data Plan. Select Refill Data Plan. And click New. You can skip order number and purchasing channel. These are optional, they are just for reference. Enter your serial number found on the router's label. When it's done, the router will be listed below. Click Activation and choose to activate immediately or set a future date. Remember, the free 5 gig data plan starts when activated and lasts until the end of the month. So let's say if you activate it on June 19, it will be valid until June 30. If you're not using the router right away, you can hold off on activating it until the start of the next month. To check your data usage, just click on Detail. That's it for now. If you have got any question, leave a comment below or shoot us an email. Thanks for tuning in.